Okay, for today's 5-minute fix, we're going to take this door, which currently doesn't hold open, and make it so it does that via magnets. So right now the door, when it's at its fully open position, if you let it go, it slowly starts to close. I've already checked it is because the jam's out of plumb, but I don't want to tear the whole thing apart just to fix this one small little thing. So what we're going to use is these quarter inch by half-inch rare earth or neodymium magnets that I purchased from Lee Valley, but you can get them from Amazon or there's tons of places to get them. Be careful, these are very high powered. Like, they'll jump quite the distance, and yeah, don't let your kids play with these at all. They can be kind of dangerous. So material wise, yeah, we need the magnets, we need hot glue sticks. For tools, we need pencil for marking, drill bit, quarter-inch drill bit, same diameter as these little guys, for drilling into the door. We need a drill for drilling, we need the hot glue gun for gluing, and we need the vacuum for cleanup from the swarf of the drilling process. Alright, so let's get started. First step, we got to remove the door stop. It should be fairly easy, just rotate it counterclockwise, pull off the little rubber piece. And we want to get our magnet prepared. I'm just going to put this on the end of the drill bit so it's easier to set in. We're going to get our hot glue. And we're just going to put it in the inside, a few pumps. You gotta work quickly with hot glue because it sets up rather quick. And we're gonna put the magnet in and hold it at pretty much the same height as the rest of the spring. We're gonna let it sit for a bit. Let it cool down. So it's time to set. It should be pretty good. Next we're going to take our little rubber piece, put it back on. We're going to thread it back onto the wall. We're going to take our other side of the magnet. It doesn't really matter which pull it is. It'll self-align itself. Like if you get it the wrong way, it'll push. If you get it the right way, it just grabs right on. So now we're going to set the magnet as centered as we can on this. We're going to get our pencil for marking. We're going to neck it out so there's lots of lead sticking out so that we can mark easily. Going to open the door completely. I'm going to get behind there. It's a little tougher because I have a heating element in the way. You just need to get enough of it. You don't want to push too hard to move the magnet around, but you just want to get enough of it so that you can see roughly where the center should be. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm going to take a quarter-inch drill bit in our drill, and now we're going drill it. It's okay if you go a little bit deep because, well, let's get our vacuum here, clean up our mess. Alright, now we're going to use the door itself We'll make sure you take it off the right way. Place it in and press. Now, if you're a little wobbly on your drilling and it didn't end up perfectly tight and it pulls the magnet every time, you can always add a little bit of glue. And again, you don't have to use hot glue. I prefer hot glue just because it sets really quickly. But now, we have a door that has a magnetic hold open, which is it's a very light hold, but it holds it. It stays there. And I consider that done. Stop. Look at that. Just under 4 minutes. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.